Experiencing cold air in your Tesla Model S? The issue often stems from three main components: the electric heater core, the coolant pump, or the HVAC blend doors. Let's dive into troubleshooting these areas to get your heat back on. First, the electric heater core, an electric resistance heater that warms coolant using battery power. Second, the coolant pump, an electric pump that circulates coolant through the heater core. Third, the HVAC blend doors, mechanical flaps that direct airflow between hot and cold sources. Models from 2012 to 2021 are most vulnerable, but software updates and proactive maintenance can significantly improve the situation. The electric heater core is the heart of the Tesla Model S heating system. It functions as an electric resistance heater that warms the coolant circulating through the HVAC system. This high-voltage component converts electrical energy into heat, providing warmth to the cabin without relying on engine waste heat like traditional vehicles. When the heater core isn't working, the first diagnostic step is checking the voltage at the connector. The system requires a stable high-voltage supply between 300 and 400 volts to operate properly. This ensures the resistance heating elements can generate sufficient thermal energy. Two common causes prevent the heater core from functioning: a low battery charge, which reduces the available voltage, and faults in the high-voltage system, such as wiring issues or component failures. These problems interrupt the electrical flow needed for heating. For comprehensive diagnosis, perform a system scan using Tesla's mobile app or service tools. This will identify any error codes related to the heater core or associated components, helping pinpoint the exact issue before attempting repairs. The heater core can draw significant power, up to 9 kilowatts in early Model S versions. This high energy demand means sufficient battery charge is essential for consistent heating performance, especially in cold weather when heating needs are greatest. To visualize how this fits into the overall HVAC system, here is a diagram showing the air movement and component layout. The heater core works in conjunction with the blower motor and ducts to deliver heated air to the cabin. The electric coolant pump is a critical component that circulates coolant through the heater core to provide cabin heat. This high-voltage pump draws power from the battery pack and ensures the coolant loop functions properly. The pump is a common failure point in the Tesla Model S HVAC system. Overheating from continuous use, corrosion in humid climates, and general wear after high mileage are typical issues that can prevent proper coolant circulation. To diagnose pump issues, start by inspecting for coolant leaks around the pump housing. Use Tesla's diagnostic tools to check pump speed, which should be between 2,000 and 4,000 RPM. A coolant flow error message on the touchscreen often indicates pump failure. If the pump isn't priming or circulating coolant properly, replacement is often necessary. Aftermarket pumps are becoming popular due to significantly lower costs compared to Tesla's original equipment manufacturer parts. Professional installation is recommended due to the high-voltage nature of the system. Regular maintenance and early diagnosis can help prevent costly repairs. The coolant pump's reliability has improved with software updates, but hardware inspection remains important for optimal HVAC performance. HVAC blend doors are mechanical flaps that direct airflow in the heating and cooling system. They mix hot air from the heater core with cold recirculated air to achieve the desired cabin temperature. Common issues with blend doors include sticking caused by plastic wear over time, debris buildup from cabin air, or failure of the electric actuator motor. This can result in the system being stuck on hot or cold air. For diagnosis, try manually actuating the blend doors by cycling through different climate control modes on the touchscreen. This can sometimes free stuck mechanisms. To access the blend doors for repair, you'll typically need to remove dashboard panels. This usually requires professional tools and should be done carefully to avoid damaging the interior. Environmental factors play a role in blend door issues. Humid climates can worsen problems due to moisture promoting corrosion and causing mechanisms to stick more easily. For preventative maintenance, consider greasing the blend door actuators regularly. This is especially important in humid areas where moisture can accelerate wear and cause sticking. Tesla's over-the-air software updates frequently address HVAC system issues in the Model S. These updates can resolve problems without requiring a visit to the service center. Updates are delivered wirelessly and appear on the car's touchscreen. Drivers can choose to install immediately or schedule for later. A recent example is firmware version 2025.45.2, which recalibrates blend door positions and optimizes coolant pump operations. Tesla integrates artificial intelligence into its diagnostic systems. The AI monitors driving patterns and vehicle data to predict HVAC component failures. For instance, it can flag low coolant levels before heating performance drops. Behind the scenes, Tesla uses a structured software development process with branches for features, releases, and hotfixes. This allows rapid deployment of fixes for HVAC issues through over-the-air updates. To maximize your vehicle's performance, always install available software updates. This ensures you receive the latest AI diagnostics and HVAC optimizations. Some basic Tesla Model S HVAC maintenance tasks can be safely done at home with simple tools. Checking coolant levels is one such DIY task that every owner should know. Cleaning blend doors and dashboard vents is another straightforward DIY procedure. Use compressed air to remove debris that can cause doors to stick. However, when it comes to high-voltage system components, professional repair is essential to prevent dangerous electrical shocks. The Tesla Model S uses high-voltage circuits for heating. For deeper diagnostics or component replacements like the coolant pump, visit Tesla service centers or reputable independent shops. They have specialized tools and knowledge. Before starting any repair work, perform a full system scan using Tesla's app or service tool to log error codes. This helps identify the exact issue. Preventive maintenance can extend the life of your Tesla Model S HVAC system. Regularly flush the coolant system annually. This prevents buildup and maintains efficient heating. Clean corroded connectors to prevent electrical issues. Corrosion can lead to heating failures. Keep the system free of debris, especially around the blend doors. Debris can cause mechanical failures. Early detection and addressing minor issues can prevent major failures down the road.